Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Crocky, Rocky from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose. We'll start with a line across. Then at both ends, we'll start slightly lower and let's draw a curve out, around, meeting at the bottom. And now inside, on both sides, let's draw an oval for the nostrils. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve up on both sides. And then from the bottom, let's curve it down and in. And the same thing from the inside. And now inside each eye, let's draw a large oval. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. We'll start on the sides of the nose and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and out. And then let's add a large U-shaped curve underneath. Next, inside the mouth, let's draw two curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's hop back up next to the eyes and let's draw a curve. And then another large curve at the bottom to connect both sides. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve above each eye and then bring it down. And then in the center, let's draw another curve to close off the top of the head. Now on top in the center, let's draw two curves up, coming to a point for the spike. And then lastly, let's draw the eyebrows. Above each eye here, let's draw a curve. And then let's thicken both of them up slightly towards the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. We'll start underneath the head and let's draw a curve out, curving it out slightly and back in. And the same on the other side. Next inside, let's draw the patch on the belly. We'll start near the top and let's draw that same curve down. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside at the top, let's add the necklace. We'll start by drawing a point up, and then work our way around to create a star. And then angles on top from the head going down. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. On the sides, let's draw 2 curves going up and out on both sides. And now let's close off the ends with a curve. Now for the hands, from the top, let's draw a point up and back in. And then another V-shaped point on top of this one. Another one next to it. And then one more, bringing it back into the arm. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 curves down on the left and on the right. And then a curve across the bottom. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw a curve down from the inside. And then from the outside, let's draw a curve out and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom right of the body, let's draw a wavy line out and up. Then for the end, let's curve it back in the same way. And lastly, on top of the tail, let's draw bumps all the way across. And that's it for Crocky Rocky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!